Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever wished for a hassle-free way to deal with your cuticles? No soaking, no peeling, no nipping, just smooth, healthy nails? Well, today's review might just be your new best friend. We're talking about Deborah Lippmann's Cuticle Remover Cuticle Softener. This 0.5 phthalates bottle promises a simple, waterless solution to your cuticle concerns. Let's dive in and see if it truly lives up to the hype. This product is designed to soften and loosen dry cuticles without any need for soaking. That's right, no messy water bowls or lengthy wait times. It's a quick and easy application that fits seamlessly into your routine. The formula is lanolin-based, which helps gently exfoliate and remove dead skin cells while keeping your nail beds safe from damage. And don't worry about harsh chemicals, as this product is crafted to be gentle on your skin. When I first used this, I was impressed by how smooth and soft my cuticles felt after just one application. The process is simple. Apply it liberally where your skin meets the nails. Wait a few moments, then gently push back the cuticles with a cuticle pusher or an orangewood stick. No need to use a cuticle cutter, which can often lead to irritation or injury. Afterward, I wiped off any excess with a cotton pad, and my nails looked instantly cleaner and more polished. What really stands out about this cuticle remover is its moisturizing properties. The lanolin helps keep your skin hydrated while preventing the dreaded dryness or irritation that many cuticle removers can cause. I use this once a week as directed, and I noticed that my cuticles remain smooth and soft between applications. It's also convenient for travel, as the small bottle fits easily in my bag. Now let's break it down into some pros and cons. Pros: waterless formula saves time and prevents the mess of soaking your nails. Moisturizing lanolin-based formula keeps cuticles hydrated and soft. Easy to use with minimal tools required, just a cuticle pusher and cotton pad. Compact, travel-friendly size, gentle on the skin and nails, reducing the risk of damage. Cons: the bottle is quite small, only 0.5 phthalates, so it may run out quickly with frequent use. A cuticle pusher or orangewood stick is needed for full effectiveness, and that's sold separately. In terms of value for money, it's a bit of a mixed bag. While it does provide a salon-quality experience at home, the small bottle might make it feel a little overpriced if you use it regularly. That said, it's effective and convenient, which is why I think it's worth it if you're looking for a quick and gentle solution for your cuticles. If you're someone who's tried other cuticle removers but found them too harsh or ineffective, this might be the perfect upgrade. For those on a tighter budget, there are alternatives out there, though they might not have the same moisturizing and gentle qualities as this Deborah Lippmann product. The packaging is sleek and straightforward, as you'd expect from a high-end brand like Deborah Lippmann. It's easy to store, doesn't take up much space, and the formula seems to last well with the proper amount of use. I haven't seen any issues with its longevity so far. Now, a word on customer service. I've personally never needed to reach out to Deborah Lippmann for customer support, but the brand is well known for its reputation in the nail care industry. Their products are widely respected, so I'd imagine any customer inquiries would be handled professionally and efficiently. So, does it live up to the claims? Yes, I think it does. It provides a gentle yet effective way to deal with cuticles without the risks of cutting them or soaking your hands. I'd recommend this to anyone looking for an easy, convenient way to maintain healthy nails at home. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.